folks, one last thing. I am now by the main pool. Again, this is all about lighting. Last year, I mentioned it was very dark over here. They had one little light right there, as you see that tiny little light at about 3/4 up on the screen. That's the only light on the back side where would take you to that bright light over there, which is the spa. But this year, the first day that I noticed that light in that little square box, basically, or should I say doorway, that's the doorway to the bathroom, that is on today. That wasn't on the first day that I was here. See those bright lights over there? That's on the far side of the pool, kind of closer to the beach bar. I keep saying the beach bar. No, the Caleta snack bar. But this Caleta snack bar is not open right now. They closed it. I'll get into that in another video as well. There's a bunch that I have to do. But that light is above the right side of the building, facing that right now. There's two big floodlights to light up that area. To the right here, which I'm still here on the far side closest to the spa, you can see this section here. That's kind of like a top pergola. You can't see the pergola that great, but you can see the lighting in between there. There is lighting over there that floods over there, as you can see. That little section there where you see the blue wavy things, that's that little section that comes downstairs, and it's all lit up on the back side of the beach bar, or the pool bar, the swim bar. It's lighting up that whole area as well for safety. Obviously, it's for safety, just to make sure people don't get hurt. I assume, and well, in fact, I know, because I know people were complaining about the safety of walking through these areas, and I'm 99% sure, because I am 99% sure those are lit up for safety, because people obviously said something. It's very dangerous, and it is. But now they have the ability to see where they're going. So that's what I wanted to say. Well, that was the last thing I wanted to say about lighting for now. If I do come up with anything else, I might just do a generic video away from the dark, just to kind of bring everything together. So thank you very much for listening, and we will see you in the next video. Ciao for now.